Welcome to my new video. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video. Learn tenses free with 100% guarantee. And I guarantee you that after watching my videos on tenses, you will become master of tenses. I have already made one video on introduction of tenses, and this video is regarding present indefinite tense. So before I start my video, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos. So this video is regarding present indefinite tense. You will be seeing in this video how to recognize that certain sentence is a present indefinite tense and how to translate that sentence from Urdu to English. So first of all, let's see positive sentence, present indefinite tense, how to recognize. First of all, आपके सामने जब भी कोई उर्दू का जुमला आता है तो आप उस उर्दू के जुमले के आखिर में देखते हैं कि आखिर में क्या है. अगर उसके आखिर में है, हैं, होगा, तो वो सिंपल सी बात है कि वो प्रेजेंट टेंस है. अब वो क्या है प्रेजेंट का? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट है, कंटिन्यूअस है, परफेक्ट है या परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस है? वो देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, आज हम पहला सिर्फ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस ही कर रहे हैं. तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इज कि अगर सेंटेंस के आखिर में ता है आता है से तो आपको पता लग गया कि ये प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है, प्रेजेंट टेंस है. अगर ता आता है, ता है, ती है, ते हैं आता है, तो वो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो खत लिखता है, ही राइट्स अ लेटर. नाउ आई हैव अगेन made it simple for you to identify the sentence's three parts: subject, object and verb. So he is subject, writes is verb and letter is object here. I've taken few more examples. वो इम्तिहान देता है, ता है, आपको सिंपल पता लग गया प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. हम इम्तिहान देते हैं, ते हैं, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. नाउ ही टेक्स द एग्जामिनेशन, हम इम्तिहान देते हैं, we take the examination. Now there is a confusion why we have used takes with he and take with we. This is what we will be looking into detail in this video. वो पौधों को पानी देता है, he waters the plant. Why we have used s? So let's look into detail that we have up till now seen that how to recognize a sentence if it is given in Urdu and you are asked to translate it into English. आपने पहचान लिया कि ये प्रेजेंट है और ये इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. अब इसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करना है? सो लेट्स लुक इनटू इट. We have seen how to recognize if in the end there is है, हैं, हो, present tense हो गया. ता, ती, ते, ता हूँ, ये आता है तो simple indefinite tense हो गया. Now the rule is, we are going to look into the rule if they are positive sentences. Positive is जिसके अंदर not नहीं आता या question नहीं आता, तो positive sentence है. What we are going to do is, first form of verb is used in present indefinite tense. Second thing is, if the pronoun is I, we, you, they and plural pronoun, हम simple first form of verb use करेंगे इस तरह के तमाम sentences के अंदर. For example, मैं खत लिखता हूँ, I write a letter. तुम खत लिखते हो, you write a letter. वो खत लिखते हैं, they write a letter. Plural हो गया, मैंने अभी आपको यही कहा था, I, we, you and plural है, so this is plural. They write a letter. अहमद और अली खत लिखते हैं, अहमद एंड अली write a letter. So what in case of we have other pronouns like he, she, it in singular, you have to remember this thing that if the pronoun is or the subject is he, she, it in singular, first form of verb, and we use s plus es with verb. So let's look into the example. For example, वो खत लिखता है. Now the pronoun, the subject is he. He writes a letter. We have added s here. वो खत लिखती है, she writes a letter. अमीना खत लिखती है, Amina writes a letter. In the same way, we add es as well. So let's move on. This was simply positive sentences in which with I, we, you, they and plural you use simple first form of verb, and with he, she, it and singular you use s or es. That's very simple. We are moving on to the negative sentences of present indefinite tense. So what we do, you have already seen that how do you recognize them. Rule is in negative sentences we use do not or does not. अब do not हम किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? The same जैसे I, we, you, they and plural के साथ हम s और es नहीं लगाते थे, तो इनके साथ भी हम सिर्फ do not लगाएंगे, does not नहीं लगाएंगे. I write a letter, I do not write a letter. We write a letter, we do not write a letter. They write a letter, they do not write a letter. Ahmed and Ali write a letter, Ahmed and Ali do not write a letter. So now let's look into the other subjects. If the subject is pronoun he, she, it and singular, जिनके साथ हम already simple sentences में, positive sentences में we were using s, so what we are going to do with them is, जब हम उनको negative में convert करेंगे, we will be using does not after the subject. I have already told you what are subject and object of a sentence. So we will be using he does not write a letter. Now, one important thing you should notice is I have omitted this s from writes because already an s has come with does. So he does not write a letter. We will not say he does not writes a letter. She writes a letter. She does not write a letter. Amina writes a letter. Amina does not write a letter. So the important thing is in negative sentences you use do not and does not. Do not you use with I, we, you, they and plurals, and does not you use with he, she, it and singular. Very simple. So let's move into interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we use do or does is used before subject. With I, we, you, they and plural, we use do before the subject. Before I, we, you, they and plural. For example, I write a letter. Do I write a letter? इनके साथ हम does use नहीं करते और s भी नहीं आएगा. We write a letter. Do we write a letter? They write a letter. Do they write a letter? Ahmed and Ali write a letter. Do Ahmed and Ali write a letter? So what about other pronouns? With he, she, it and singular, we use does before the subject if the sentence is interrogative, question. He writes a letter. Does he write a letter? I have highlighted this s, that we have omitted this s here because we have used does. She writes a letter. Does she write a letter? Amina writes a letter. Does Amina write a letter? So very simple. This is how we translate present indefinite sentences from Urdu to English. I have given few examples here. They go to museum. वो कभी कभी अजायब घर जाते हैं. This is positive sentence. They go to museum now and then. वो कभी कभी अजायब घर नहीं जाते हैं. They do not go to museum now and then. वो कभी कभी अजायब घर जाते हैं? Do they go to museum now and then? Next sentences. वो हमेशा सच बोलती है. She always speaks the truth. वो हमेशा सच नहीं बोलती है. She does not always speak the truth. क्या वो हमेशा सच बोलती है? Does she always speak the truth? So now let's see where this present indefinite tense is used. It is used to express habits. For example, she gets up early in the morning. She goes to school every day. If there is a general truth, we also use simple indefinite tense, present indefinite tense. For example, Earth revolves around the sun. And if there are repeated actions, she goes to her office daily. So that's all about present indefinite tense. If you liked my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos, because I'm going to upload 11 more videos on tenses.